Okay guys, so let's do a quick review of this Auto-Vox backup camera. It does come with a couple different components that I'm excited to check out. This is the actual screen itself that goes into your car. And this is what's going to actually allow you to see the backup camera as you're backing up. So pretty decent size screen coming out here. This is the unit that goes on the back of your car. So it has a solar panel to keep it charged and the camera right there. And then a nice little mounting bracket. Not bad. Going a little further here, we do have two little antennas that go onto this guy right here to communicate with the camera wirelessly. That's the pro of this entire unit. Instruction manual, mount. I love this style of mount, this flexible padded thing. It's got a nice pattern on it. This works on basically any shape of kind of dash and makes it pretty easy to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and just plug this thing in. So this goes like this, which means this attaches just like that. So super easy to do. Didn't even have to look at the manual. And then we've got a USB-C charger and one last cable here. This will be the cigarette lighter that powers the screen. And you can see it also has a power button and a plug for the USB-C. Not bad. Let's install this thing. All right, so here I've got it installed on the back of my car. This is how you want to have it with this bracket pointing down. Though the correct way to do this is to put it on your license plate on these screws right here. I can't show the license plate because it's an Amazon shoppable video, but I've just stuck it to the back here. Charging port is on this side right here, and then the power button is on this side right here. You have to hold that to turn on. It should flash red. Now let's go in the vehicle and see if the backup camera is working. Now inside here, I have the camera hooked up. It is just plugs into your cigarette lighter with the attached cable. Very easy to set up, just stick it to the dash, and there you can see is my backup camera. So you can rotate this up and down to make sure you get the angles right. But overall, that is very, very cool. A super simple way to get a backup camera when you don't have one. I know my vehicle does have one, but when I first got a car that had one, it was such a game changer. You're never going to back into anyone or back into any items or anything. So pretty cool invention, and I think everyone could probably benefit from it. If you like this tech review, I will leave another one up here, and check it out, and I'll have links down below. Thanks.